Hello? You can talk? Okay. You know, say you want real wicked gal? You want real wicked gal. You cheat on me last night. You cheat on me last night. Me and you have agreement, say you only go give a man 2 times a day? 2 times a day? 3 the most. 3 the most. Why me a scroll on Instagram and you look a roommate of a man? I talk about, oh, last night was amazing. Last night was what that mean? What that mean? Me not understand what. Uno go see Spider-Man? Did Uno go see Spider? No. So when I talk about amazing, you cheat on me with your man last night. You real wicked guy. You real wicked guy. You probably came 3 or 4 times because that's when it feel amazing to me. That's when it feel amazing to me. You are wicked. You're not supposed to give him so much. And you know what? You have to go give me so much too. Because I want to feel amazing. Like me a Spider-Man. Like me a Spider-Man. And you need to come now. Do better, yeah? Make it work. You could cheat up.